Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in this video I'm going to show you how to annotate your PDF, maybe add an underline or highlight, or generally highlight or edit your PDF document using JOPDF, which is free to access by coming to jopdf.com. You can download and install it on your system. It's available for Mac, Windows and Linux, and you can just have access to it. So assuming I have this document, right, this one, and I plan to annotate on this, so all I need is to come to annotate. You have the option to use the highlighting tool. You can click and you can select the color that you want to use. You can just highlight. You can see I have just highlighted this section. You can do that on this section as well, and you can change the coloration at any given point. Maybe you have a default color or another color that you want to use. You can do that as well. Okay, so if you like, you can use the area highlight also. You can select and do area highlight. So let's highlight this section, or let's highlight this task. This is area highlight in addition to maybe line highlight. You can strike through a line. Let's say we want to just cancel this. I don't want this part of the report. I can just select and you can see it's been cancelled. You can underline a section also if you want to underline very easily. You can add a squiggly line. Let's do that with this blue color. You can do that also directly very easily. And if you like, you can use the pencil. Pencil can help you to write also, or to identify a section, or to just highlight a concept, yeah, very easily. And you can use the eraser tool to clean what you have written if you are interested in cleaning. And then you can add a text. Okay, you can add a text, and once you select everything, you have all of these editing features. You can add a sticky note as well if you're interested in adding a sticky note, or a shape also. You can add a shape of different types. The fill and the border color, you can vary them as well if you're interested, the border and the fill color. And once you're okay, you can just draw easily. You can add sticky notes very easily. You can add your notes maybe to your students who are working on this document. You can select and you can add just a sticky note to this section and add your comment easily. You can add a link also, or an attachment. You can add attachment and you can stamp maybe approved for final presentation, what they are about. You can add that at any given point of the document, okay, or rejected. You can just say rejected, yeah, about. So these are very basic controls. You can show or hide all annotations with this as well. Okay, you can see with just one click you can unshow or hide all the features, or if you like, you can save this also to your document. So this is easily how to annotate on a PDF document using JOPDF, completely free of charge. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.